Looking for a place to jump into your career? Here are some benefits of doing a practicum. Real-world experience. Gain practical skills and insights that go beyond the classroom. A practicum lets you apply your academic knowledge in a real-world setting, helping you develop confidence and competence in your field. Networking opportunities. Practicums connect you with industry professionals, mentors, and potential future employers. Building these connections can open doors to exciting job opportunities down the road. Skill development. The chance to work on projects, interact with clients, and learn from experienced professionals sharpens your skill set. You'll walk away more prepared and job-ready. Increased employability. Employers value candidates with practical experience. Completing a practicum not only enhances your resume, but also shows you have the initiative and adaptability to succeed in a professional environment. Insight into your career path. A practicum provides a unique opportunity to explore different aspects of your industry. It helps you decide if the career you're pursuing is the right fit. And if it's not, it offers the chance to pivot before committing long-term. Get started on your practicum with Ashton College.